How much life insurance coverage and health insurance do you need? Meron tayong tinatawag na rule of thumb when it comes to insurance. So, first muna is alamin natin ilan ba ang kailangan mong coverage para sa life insurance. So, tingin tayo dito sa taas, kailangan daw meron kang 10 times of your annual income para sa life insurance mo. Lalong-lalo na kung breadwinner ka. So for example, 600,000 a year ang income mo times 10, ibig sabihin 6 million ang kailangan mong life insurance. Ang life insurance ay tinatawag rin nating love insurance. Ini-insure mo yung pagmamahal mo sa family members mo para in case something happened to you, hindi sila magsasuffer dahil may naiwan kang coverage for them. So mangyayari dito, in case of premature death, due to old age, due to sickness and disability o kaya naman sa accident, ito yung life insurance or face amount na marireceive ng chosen beneficiary mo. So next, magkano naman ang kakailanganin mong health insurance or tinatawag nating critical illness insurance? So sabi dito, 5 times of your annual income. So kung ang income mo is 600,000 a year, 3 million daw ang kailangan mo na health insurance. Kung 1 million a year naman ang income mo, kailangan mo ng 5 million health insurance. Bakit siya tinatawag na income protection? Kasi pag tumigil ang income mo dahil na-disabled ka, 6 months na tuloy-tuloy hindi ka makapagtrabaho, for example, na dahil sa accident or dahil sa illness, nagpo-focus ka sa recovery at sa mga test na pinapagawa sa'yo na procedure para gumaling ka, ang mangyayari, ito ang magre-replace ng natigil mong income. So, kailangan rin natin itong ma-protect. Just a reminder, hindi mo kailangan na kunin agad yung na-compute natin na life insurance at health insurance coverage kung hindi mo pa kaya. So, mag-start ka lang muna kung magkano kaya mo, and then after 2 to 3 years, 5 years, ganyan, bumili ka na lang ng panibago mong plan. So from there, magbabago na rin yung computation ng needs mo, ng income mo, and then kuha ka na lang ng second plan. Ito total naman yon sakaling in the future, ma-diagnose ng health condition o kaya premature death. So for more questions about life insurance and health insurance, you can comment down below or you can send me a message.